Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create two different landing pages, split testing both landing pages, and then selecting the winner and how to check your stats. Okay, so I'm going to show you a complete tutorial on how to do this using one of the best softwares called Clickfunnels. Okay, so keep watching because you're going to learn a lot in this video, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create these type of landing pages so you could split test, select the winner, and get high opt-in rate plus conversion. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so I'm in my ClickFunnels dashboard. First of all, whenever you join ClickFunnels, make sure you go to the right hand corner, click on account settings, and when you do that, you're going to come to a page just like this, and then you need to click on integration, and then you need to select your integration with your autoresponder. So whether you're using GetResponse, MailChimp, or Aweber, anything like that, you just want to select here and go through the steps. This has to be done before creating any landing pages, because if you don't do this, then nothing is going to work. Okay, once you have done that, then what you want to do is go to ClickFunnels and click on funnels, and in this we're going to get the landing page. So we're going to click on build a new funnel. Okay, and once you build a new funnel, it's going to ask a couple of questions. We're just going to go for collect emails, and I'm just going to put testing 1 2 3 and build this funnel. All right, so let's just wait for it to load, and there you go, it has loaded and it's giving me two different pages. One is the opt-in page and one is the thank you page. I'm going to get rid of the thank you page, I don't need it. Okay, so let's look into the opt-in page. So these are all the opt-in templates that you could use, done for you, ready-made templates. And this is one of the reasons why I love ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels gives you all these features a lot. Look at this, all these done for you templates that I could just use as an opt-in page. I just have to drag and drop, add a couple of text messages, text content I mean, and there you go, my funnel is ready. So check this out, look at this, all these opt-in pages. Okay, it has thank you pages as well. Thank you pages is sales pages as well. If I go to sales page, it's going to have sales pages, templates, product launch, order form, one click upsell, one click downsell, order confirmation, webinar, membership. And I've just realized one thing, all the top 6 7 8 figure earners are using ClickFunnels. Okay, I have seen their landing pages, I have seen their sales pages, they're all hosted on ClickFunnels. Okay, so ClickFunnels is one of the best platforms. All right, now let's choose a opt-in page just right now, and let me show you how to split test so you get a very good high conversion rate. Okay, so for now we're just gonna go with this landing page here. Where is it? Okay, my best landing page, where is it? It's just right down here. Today I can't see, let me see, scroll down, scroll up, scroll up. Okay, there you go, select this template. Okay, and it's going to load up, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to edit this page. I'm going to click on edit page. By the way, if you want to check into ClickFunnels how it looks like, then all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Okay, so let me just get rid of this. So I'm going to click on delete. All right, I'm going to go back up and I'm going to bring this a bit down. There you go. Okay, and then I'm going to get rid of this part right at the bottom as well. That doesn't look good. Okay, and then I'm just going to change this text. So free video reveals, okay, how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month without any website. Okay, so that's looking great. Just going to change that as well, and I'm going to put something like 29,417 people can't be wrong. This is for demonstration purpose only. Okay, so do not copy what I'm writing here. Real people with real results. There you go. And I'm going to get rid of the name. Okay, if you have the name, your opt-in rate is going to be down. Just get rid of that name here, and there you go. Okay, I'm going to change so let's just make a bit of changes to this text. So let's change the font. Okay, so the first thing is the font. So let's come here, let's change the font to this. All right, let's make it a bit bigger, and there you go. Okay, I'm gonna change something else as well. So I'm gonna make it into like this, and then I'm just gonna put free video, make it bold, and put 10,000 bold. Let's change the color for the bold. Okay, so watch this. All right, let's change that. Boom. Okay, let's change this as well. Let's change the font to Acme, make it a bit bigger. Okay, and let's change the color. I guess it's gonna be this. Nope, let's do this, and there you go. All right, so there you go. I've got my landing page ready. That's how easy it is to use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels do come with a free 14-day trial. Now feel free, you could join, you could create these landing pages using other tools and softwares as well. There are so many free tools out there as well, no doubt. But I love ClickFunnels, so if you do want to look into ClickFunnels, it does come with a free 14-day trial. After that, it's $3.23 per day. Okay, when you scroll below this video, you're going to see a couple of things that you need to do. First step is subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Okay, when you click this subscribe button and to turn on the notification bell, what's going to happen is whenever I come up with a brand new money making video, you're going to be the first one to get notified, and you will be able to watch it before the competition does. Okay, so make sure you click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please click the share button and share this video with your followers. They're going to get a lot of value, and it's going to build a trust. And then you're going to see a description just like this below my channel name. Okay, and if you click on show more, it's going to open up the description, and in there you're going to find a couple of links. One of the links is going to be to the ClickFunnels free 14-day trial, and also a link where it says $330,000 commission secret. You will be able to see that system and how that system is helping thousands of people make money online. Okay, so let's get back into this, and let me change this button, and let me show you what let me show you how to change the text. So yes, I want access now. We're going to do the same thing for this as well. Change the font to this and bring the button towards the top, and that's it. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to change a couple of things. So first of all, go to settings, go to integration, and integrate it with your autoresponder. Now this part will only work if you have done all this setting what I showed you in the beginning. Okay, integration with your autoresponder. So I'm going to come here, integrate it, existing list. Okay, I'm going to do that. There you go, boom. And then I'm going to come to SEO metadata, and I'm just going to put the headline live. All right, and then I'm going to come back to settings. I'm going to go to general, and in here this is where you're going to put your Clickbank affiliate link or any of the other affiliate links. I'm just going to put http yourafflink.com. Okay, you get the idea, right? Okay, so that's done. Once everything is sorted, you just want to click on save. Okay, now there's one more thing that I want to do here, and that is I want to change this background. So let me show you how easy that is. Come to background, click on this, and I could change the color. Okay, so I could change the color of the background as well. Let me show you how it looks. Look at this. I just changed the color of the background. I could change it to something else as well if I want to. Let me show you another background as well. Let's just let's do the green one. Check this out. Okay, so you could change the background as well. You could even have your own image in the background as well. So if I want to put my image, so I'm going to put one of my images down here and show you how easy it is. So I've got this image down here, and there you go. Look at this. That looks great. That looks absolutely phenomenal. All right, so I'm going to create a border on this landing page. So I'm just going to come to advanced. I'm going to click on borders, make a full border. I'm going to make it to 5, and I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, so now this is looking absolutely great. Just make this a bit more smaller. So the landing page looks much better. There you go. Now you let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this landing page? And did you see how easy it was to create this landing page? Okay, now I'm going to be driving traffic to this landing page, and guess what? People are going to opt in and potential sales. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use ClickFunnels to build a landing page. Now this landing page is already ready for me. I'm going to click on save. Okay, I'm going to come out, exit from this page. But remember, when I'm driving traffic, I want to split test between two different landing pages to find out exactly which one's going to convert the best. So I'm going to create another variation. So watch this. I'm going to create this variation, and I'm going to create a new one from the template. Okay, so we're going to select one from the template down here. We just click on refresh. So all right, so let's do this again. Okay, so here's the template, and I'm going to choose another landing page for this purpose. So let's see what I could do. Let me see which kind of landing page I want to use for this purpose. Okay, let me just choose this landing page down here. Okay, this is a good one. All right, so I'm going to come for this, and I'm going to click on create page now. So what we're going to do, we're going to edit this page as well. All right, so let's just quickly edit this page. So I'm just going to come here and basically free video exposure, the VS software completely be support about unbanked. Okay, let me just change this. Free video reveals. Okay, reveals. Okay, how to go. In fact, I'm going to change the title for this. Free video reveals how a newbie generated over $132,214.22 in affiliate commissions online without any website. All right, so check this out. Okay, now let me scroll down. Let me just get rid of this text. So delete, boom, delete, boom. Okay, we're gonna get rid of all of this as well. All right, so I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna get rid of all of this as well. Okay, so now we're going to make a couple of changes. We're going to change the font for this as well. All right, so we're going to just come here and we're going to change it to Acme. All right, this will make it a bit smaller so it looks good. Let's change the font for this as well. All right, so we're just going to come here, change that as well. And that's looking absolutely great, as you can see. All right, we're going to make some changes to this as well. So we're going to change the font first. So we're just going to come here and we're going to change it like this, and we're just going to put enter so they know exactly what they need to do. All right, and there you go, that's done. Okay, just click on save. Okay, so you can see that this is looking good. I'm just going to make this a bit more bigger so it covers the space. All right, and then you could change the button as well. All right, in my one of my previous videos, I've already showed you how to change the button. Now what you need to do is just go to settings and integration. All right, I'm just going to integrate it quickly. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to select my list. All right, and then I'm going to come back to the settings, and then if you want to change the SEO metadata as well, you could put how to make money online. Okay, and then come back to settings again and just go to general, and this is where you're going to put your affiliate link down here. Okay, so I'm just going to put http yourlink.com. all right, just hover your mouse and click on save. Okay, so that's how easy it is to create landing pages using ClickFunnels. Okay, now watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to clone this page. So I'm just going to hover my mouse to the green gear icon, and I'm going to click on clone, and there you go, it's cloned this whole page for me. Okay, so I have 2 pages now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the gear icon again, and I'm going to select desktop only, and then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go to the second landing page, and I'm going to make this only mobile. Okay, so gear icon and only mobile. Why did I do that? Because majority of your traffic is going to come from mobile devices, so you want to make sure your landing page is mobile friendly. So we're going to make a couple of changes to this. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this, bring it to the middle. Everything is just looking good down here. Just this part, I just need to make it a bit more smaller. So I'm just going to come here and make that smaller, and there you go. All right, and I'm going to click on save. So now what's going to happen is that when I start driving traffic to this page, if that traffic is coming from desktop, they're going to see a page like this, and if it's coming from mobile, they're going to see a page like this. That's how easy this is. I'm going to exit this page, and now I'm going to show you exactly how to split test. Okay, so now I have 2 different landing pages right down here. I'm going to be sending traffic to this one link. Okay, one link, and while I'm sending traffic to this one link, it's gonna rotate these 2 landing pages. So to make it rotate, what I need to do is I need to scroll this ball. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this, okay, and put it to 50%, which means 50% traffic goes to this landing page, 50% traffic goes to this landing page. I could do it 20 by 80 as well, so I could like do something like this. Okay, so 20% traffic goes here, 80% traffic goes here. But for the beginning, as a starter, I'm just going to put it to 50%. So if I'm driving 1,000 clicks to this one link, 500 clicks will go to this landing page, and 500 clicks will go to this landing page. All right, so I'm going to put it to 50% and then click on apply changes. Always make sure you click on apply changes after scrolling this bar. Okay, so 50%. Click on apply changes, and now 50% traffic goes here, 50% traffic goes here. Now when you start driving traffic, if you saw that this landing page is getting 25% opt-in rate and this is getting 65% opt-in rate, that shows that this opt-in page is working out great, bringing you great leads, amount of leads better than this. So what you could do is you could just click on declare as winner, and it will place this landing page into this section, and it will get rid of this one. So now you don't have to change your links, you don't have to change your campaigns, you don't have to change and switch your links. You're already sending traffic to this one link and split testing 2 different landing pages, and if you find one of them is doing better, you could just declare that as a winner, and then all that traffic will just go to that landing page and get rid of the loser. You could also just hover this bar. So just say this was doing good, but you still want to keep this. What you could do is just hover this bar and put it something like this, and then apply changes. And what will happen is now 98% of the traffic will go to this page, and 2% traffic will go to this page. Okay, so you have 2 different options. You could just declare this as a winner, so you will get rid of this one, or you could just hover the bar and keep this one and just make sure most of your traffic is just going to this page. So how do you check your opt-in rates? Very simple. You just want to go to the stats, okay? And then in your stats, if you click on this opt-in page, it's going to have 2 pages. As you can see, control and variation. And there you could see all the traffic, uniques, page views, opt-in rate. And you could see exactly how many opt-ins you're getting and which one is doing great. Okay, so that's how easy it is to create pages using ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels do come with a free 14-day trial. After the 14 days, there is a charge, $3.23 per day. In my opinion, it's worth every penny. It allows you to create landing pages, sales funnel, webinar pages, product pages, and like I said, all the top gurus, most of the top gurus, 6-7 figure earners, are all using ClickFunnels. Okay, so if you want to check it out, scroll down below this video, and here's the steps you need to take. First step is just click this red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. What will happen is when you click this red subscribe button, you're going to be notified whenever I come up with a brand new money making video, and you will be the first one to watch my video before the competition does. Okay, so make sure you smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Step 2, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. Step 3, click the share button and share this video with your followers, with your subscribers on social media, etc. Trust me, they're going to get a lot of value, and it's going to build a reputation and trust between you and your followers. And step 4 is you're going to see a description just like this below my channel name. Okay, just click on this button, show more, and it's going to open up the description. If you're watching on a mobile device, you might see the show more button just somewhere around here where my mouse is. Okay, just click on the show more button. It's going to open up the description, and in that description you're going to find a couple of links. One of the link is going to be for ClickFunnels, free 14-day trial, and you're going to find another link as well where it says my $330,000 commission secret. That is the exact program that has earned me over $330,000 in commissions, and it has, the owner of that product has received more than 200,000 positive reviews. Okay, it's changing people's lives, so you want to check it out and you don't want to miss it. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video. I'm here to help you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'm more than happy to help you and assist you. So thank you for watching my video, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.
Knowledge is the new currency in 2019. Now, what I want to do right now is I want to talk to you a little bit about traffic generation, traffic and conversions, right? So a lot of people ask me about traffic, like what's working now. We have been teaching traffic for about a decade, and there is a big problem right now in the industry, in the world of marketing and traffic generation. 63% of companies surveyed say, and this is a survey coming from HubSpot, and they're surveying and working with a lot of different businesses from different niches, different genres. 63% of those companies and businesses say traffic generation is their biggest problem and the biggest challenge in their company. Let me tell you why. Because there's a big problem when it comes to traffic generation. Pop on my screen here, let me show you what this problem is, and I'll show you the solution for this problem. And if you pay attention, this might take you to a whole other level in your business. Check this out. Right now, today, everybody is teaching and regurgitating the same old, what's called platform dependency traffic strategy. What do I mean by this? Facebook advertising, right? Instagram advertising, YouTube advertising. Basically, in other words, a platform dependency traffic getting strategy. And there is a problem with it. Let me tell you why. Because the traffic game has changed forever. Okay, if you have not been familiar with what's been going on Facebook ad platform over the past 24 months, let me fill you in on that a little bit right now. Look, over the past 5 years, right, Facebook has been the go-to place to get traffic for many companies and individuals. It has been one of the best sources of traffic, sales, and revenue for entrepreneurs and small businesses who knew how to run campaigns there. Well, not anymore. Over the past 18 months, Facebook's growth has slowed down a lot. In fact, here is an article from Business Insider published not too long ago, and they say Facebook's active user growth went into reverse for the first time ever, and the worst is yet to come. Here's another one from Mashable, and here's what Mashable is saying. Facebook's engagement is sinking with no end in sight, right? And you know what? It gets even worse. Let me show you this. The average time on site for each Facebook user has dropped by 24%. That is a massive problem for advertisers. Even though this decline is happening, more businesses have started to use the Facebook ad platform than ever before. That means that listen to me, while advertising demand is increasing, the number of opportunities for ads Facebook can show is getting smaller. This leads to one thing: rising ad costs. Okay? In fact, despite their decline in attention and growth, Facebook's ad revenue over the past 18 months is up by 42%. Because if you want to show your ads to more people, more of their users, you have to pay them more money, right? Now, as a result, the average cost to acquire a customer in all major markets rose by over 400% in the last 18 months alone. That, my friend, can destroy any business if you don't adjust, which is exactly what we have been doing for my company and teaching other people how to do the same thing. Look, it's not all bad news, right? There's also some good news about this. While most entrepreneurs and businesses who follow the what's called old model for traffic generation are struggling, those who adjust and implement the new model, and I'm going to show you that in just a second, are experiencing record highs in traffic, leads, and sales. Here's the old model. It's called platform dependency. This is basically where people say, you know what, we're going to just run ads and see what happens, right? And hope somebody's going to buy. The new model is called data aggregation. And data aggregation, we focus on three things. Number one, we're gonna get traffic. Number two, we're gonna manage traffic. And then number three, we're gonna multiply traffic. Very methodically, very deliberately, very intentionally. And there is a method and a way for you to do that. This is what it looks like. I'm about to show it to you. Look, I wanna give you the result of this. So over the past 36 months, I've been running a secret experiment on this model. Let me show you what it's done for us, right? So I have deployed a campaign doing the polar opposite of what everybody else is doing out there in the traffic generation, marketing, and sales world, okay? And so instead of relying on any one platform, what I did was I followed what's called data aggregation, this new traffic model that I've developed, and now we teach this inside the Internet Traffic Academy. Anyway, here are the results. 17.5 million unique visitors, okay? That generated 3.7 million leads. Can you imagine being able to talk to 3.7 million people? Can you imagine that? Just look at this picture, right? 3.7, that's a huge city. Imagine being able to get your message out in front of 3.7 million people. It gets better. Now that crowd, right, produced for us in this particular campaign over 112,000 paid customers, okay, for over $12 million in revenue generated. Now, the big question is Vic, you probably spend a fortune to get these. Well, depending how you look at it, right? Let's do some math on it, right? So before we do the math, here is what it cost me for this particular campaign. Again, this is over 36 months. So on average, we were generating over 450,000 visitors every 30 days like clockwork, right, during this particular campaign. Now, it cost us over $1 million, $1.2 million to run this campaign. However, the return on that investment, okay, has been 10 times, almost 10, like 9.85 or something like that. So it generated a net profit, okay, of over $10 million. Now, big numbers, and I don't want to scare you off of this thing. You know, you might be saying, well, Vic, I don't have $1 million to put into a traffic generation campaign, and I do not need to do that. I was not able to do that in the beginning, right? But let's do the math. Let me kind of break this down. Let's step back. Let me simplify this, and most importantly, show you what this can do for your business if you implement what's called data aggregation business model. It is mind-blowing, my friend. Check this out. Let's do the math on it, right? So it cost me on average 7 cents to get a visitor. Let me ask you a question. Would you pay 7 cents to acquire a visitor to your website, to your product, to your business, to your offer, to whatever it is that you're promoting? Could you do that? Of course, right? Now, I made on average for each one of those visitors 69 cents. So I paid 7 cents and I made 69 cents for every visitor, regardless if they opted in, regardless if they engaged with me or not. Every single visitor was worth 69 cents to me, okay? So my average profit after expenses for each visitor was 62 cents. Now, this is a super scaled down version of that particular campaign so that, you know, everybody can wrap their head around this thing, right? So at the end of the day, here's what it did. It generated and produced almost 10 times return on my investment for this particular campaign. Now, I'm not gonna guarantee you that you're gonna get 10x, you know, ROI in your, you know, on whatever it is you're doing. I don't know your business model. I don't know what you're promoting. I don't even know you, probably, right? However, here's what I can tell you. Imagine going to a magic money machine and you put in $1 and you get $10 back every single time. The question is how many dollars would you put in, okay? So if you are interested, okay, if you're watching this and if it perked your attention, if you are an entrepreneur, if you're selling anything on the internet, this should excite you and this should get your attention, right? If you're interested, if you want to know more about this new business model, how does this work, right? How do we go about setting this whole thing up? There's a process, and I would love to teach you and show you this. Go ahead and click on the link that's next to this ad, wherever you're seeing this. I'm gonna take you to a page where I give you, I'm gonna put you through a training that I recorded, where I explain in detail, and I reveal, and I pull back the curtain on this particular experiment and tell you exactly how I was able to do that. More importantly, how you can start following this new business model for traffic generation, okay? And crush it in whatever it is that you're doing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you at the training.